Hello, children. We are doing our lesson Mia and Mo from our English textbook, English Stencil. We wrote the new words in this lesson last class, and we also read the whole lesson and understood it. Can we read this? What is this? Can I tell? Can you tell who is Sheru and who is Paws in the picture? We already did that, children. Paws is the cat. Can you see his paws here? And Sheru is the dog. Pet cat and pet dog. Now let us go to the practice session. Let's practice. Practice. Practice means doing something again and again till you become perfect. Read each sentence aloud, then replace the underlined words with the options and read. Follow the teacher. So, this is the first sentence, children. A sentence starts with a capital letter, ends in a full stop. Read each sentence. This is the first sentence. What's the spelling of sentence? S-E-N, sen, T-E-N, ten, C-E-S. Sentence. Aloud means loudly. I like doing yoga. So, what did Mia like to do? Mia likes to do yoga. What else do you like to do, children? Do you also like to do yoga? Or do you like reading books? Do you like listening to music? Do you like playing chess? Or do you like helping your mom? So let us replace. Instead of doing yoga, we will say these options. Options. Okay? I like reading books. I like playing chess. Chess is an indoor game. I like listening to music. I like helping my mom. So, these are something that we are doing. Doing yoga, reading, listening, playing, helping. So, these are all doing words. Okay? When we do something, we use these words. Okay, so these words which are used to show that you are doing something, these words are the action words. Let's look at the next sentence. In the morning, I exercise with my mother. In the morning, there's a pause here, so we put a comma. In the morning, I exercise with my mother. In the morning, I water the plants. In the morning, I feed birds. In the morning, I play with my pet. In the morning, I pray. So, instead of this, instead of the underlined phrase, we use any of this. All these are doing phrases. Okay, what you're doing. Next sentence. My father helps me polish my shoes for school. My father helps me polish my shoes for school. Now we are going to read these words over here. My father helps me arrange my books. My father helps me tie shoelaces. My father helps me practice sports. My father helps me learn poems. So these are also what you can do in your house. Arrange my books. I can practice sports. Tie my shoelace. Learn poems. Next sentence. Mo helps me get ready for school. Mo helps me study for a test. Mo helps me pack my bag for a picnic. Mo helps me learn a song for a party. Mo helps me take the pets for a walk. So these are all the things what you can do in your house, right children? We like reading books, we like playing chess, we like listening to music, we like helping my mom. In the morning, we exercise with my mother. I can also water the plants. I can feed birds. I can play with my pet. I can pray. So, what do you do in the morning, children? Do you do all these things or you do something else? My father helps me polish my shoes for school. What else does your father help you to do? Does he help you arrange your books? My father helps me tie my shoelace, practice sports, or learn poems. Mo helps me get ready for school. Mo helps me study for a test, pack my bag for a picnic, learn a song for a party, take the pets for a walk. These are all lovely things which you can do when you are at home. Let's go to the next exercise. The story. Tick everything that Mia does in the morning. What all does Mia do in the morning, children? From our lesson, in the morning, I exercise with my mother. I water the plants. Okay? So let us check. Does she sleep in the morning? No. She waters the plants. Yes. Tick. Then she exercises. Yes, she does yoga exercises. What else does she do? She also has breakfast. Correct? Yeah. So these are the things that Mia does in the morning. Let's go on to the next questions. Where does Mia live? Where does Mia live? Yes, children. Who knows the answer? Where does Mia live? How do we find our answers? Do we ask somebody and tell them to give us the answers? No. We search for our answers. Where does Mia live? Live. L-I-V-E. Where is it? Yes, here it is. Mia lives in a city called Udaipur. So what's the answer? How do we write the answer? Where does Mia live? Mia lives in a city called Udaipur. Yes, we will write these question and answers in our classwork after we discuss them. Where are the plants kept? In Mia's house, where are the plants kept? Is it kept in the garden or in the outside the house in the playground? No, it's kept in a small garden in the balcony. Plants are kept in a small garden in the balcony. Where are the plants kept? The plants are kept in a small garden in the balcony. We will write this in our CW. Where does the family go on weekends? Weekends, yes. Where is weekends? Weekends, yes. Here is weekends. That's how we find our answer. Where do they go on weekends? On weekends, we go to the park. Yes, that's our answer. On weekends, the family goes to the park. Next question. Do they go out on Tuesdays as well? What is Tuesday, children? Tuesday is a weekday. So they go out on Tuesday. Do they go out on Tuesday? No. On weekdays, we play at home. So the answer is no. On weekdays, they don't go out. They do not go out on Tuesdays. Who does Ma help with studies? Ma helps whom? Ma helps. Mo can study on his own. Ma helps me study. Who is me? Me is Mia. Who does Ma help with studies? Ma helps Mia with studies. Okay, children. So we'll be writing this question and answers and the other exercises also in our textbook. In our class workbook. Now listen to the teacher. Act it out. You have to do acting now, children. Listen to the teacher. Can you show how this is done? I water the plants. How do you water the plants? You can water the plants and take a picture of it and send it to us on the group. We all can see it. I play hide and seek. Hide and seek means what? You hide and somebody searches for you. Like how we call I Spice, you call it. I Spice. Okay. I get ready for school. Yeah, now we don't get ready because we don't have school, but you can just do the acting and send a picture. I make breakfast. Do you cook in your kitchen, children? Do you make breakfast? No, you're too small to make breakfast, but maybe you can help mummy to keep the breakfast on the plate. I exercise. Yes, it's very good to exercise, and you exercise too. Next one. Find out. Match the columns. What is this? F-O-L-D. Fold. Fold means what? Fold means to fold or to... See, this is folding. I'm folding my page. Can you see, children? Fold the paper. This is called folding. Okay? Yes, see, I folded it. If you can fold clothes, you can fold paper, you can fold many things. Feed. What is fold? Fold the clothes. Fold neatly. You can draw a line, children. Fold the clothes. Feed. Feed means what? To give food. Feed the pet. Yes, you have to feed your pet dog or your pet cat. Otherwise, they'll be very hungry. Clean. What should you clean? Clean the table. Mama has told you so many times now. Clean the study table. Pack. Pack the... What shall we pack? We'll pack the school bag. Okay. Next, eat. What will we eat? We will eat dinner. So we'll fold the clothes. We'll feed the pet. We'll clean the study table. And we'll pack the school bag. And we'll eat dinner. So I will do another video for the rest of the lesson and then I'll send it to you before we do the classwork activity. Thank you.